Lunchboxes are full of surprises. But do you know how lunchboxes are manufactured in the factory? Well, let's take a look in today's video. First, plastic granules are put into the injection moulding machine. At this stage, the moulded parts of the lunchbox are ready. Now, the extra plastic is removed from it to give a smooth finish. After that, all the prepared parts are ready to assemble. Here, the small boxes and spoons are placed inside the lunchboxes. In this factory, they make different qualities of lunchboxes. Now, the lunchbox is ready for an amazing puzzle game. Here, the lunchboxes are sent for the packaging process. Now, the packed lunchboxes are ready. After that, the boxes are placed into the corrugated boxes and they are ready to give a surprise every morning.